Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn fast drawing. To truly accelerate your drawing skills, you need a structured approach. We'll cover the essential steps, from understanding core concepts to consistent practice. This isn't about shortcuts, but about smart, effective learning that builds a strong foundation quickly. Get ready to transform your artistic journey with proven methods. Mastering the basics is crucial for speed and accuracy. Start by breaking down subjects into simple geometric shapes, then add light and shadow to give them dimension. Gesture drawing, even for just 30 seconds per pose, will dramatically improve your ability to capture dynamic forms quickly. These fundamentals are your building blocks.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, just as learning to draw quickly requires a clear path, so does building financial freedom. Quick recommendation: check out The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. You can find the link and other great deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video.
Effective practice is about quality, not just quantity. Set a timer for quick sketches to push your speed and confidence. Drawing from real life or high-quality references trains your eye to see details. Instead of trying to master everything at once, dedicate sessions to specific challenges, like drawing hands or mastering perspective. This targeted approach yields faster results. To truly learn fast, you must become your own best critic. After each drawing session, take time to analyze what worked and what didn't. Look at how master artists solve similar problems in their work. Don't be afraid to ask for feedback from peers or mentors. A fresh pair of eyes can offer invaluable insights. This reflective process accelerates your growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.